I need my money.
I needed the money.
I needed more money.
I need this money.
I need that money, and I know it's close.
I can't point it out enough that I need the money.
I was about to be a single mom and I needed money.
I need some money.
Sure, get in.
Why would you?
I need the money.
I need that money.
I missed the part where that's my problem.
I needed money. And I accepted a loan from those men.
I can't get any more time. He's not talking. I need the goddamn money now.
I need my money.
I don't like that tone of voice. You think after all we'd been through, I'd stiff you?
I got a good price for it. Vince, I need the money.
It was my fucking telly.
Why would you... For this play?
I need the money.
You fly around the world with men who don't care for you and use you like a whore?
You're not my father!
And what do you come to me for?
Because I need money.
I'm not gonna beat around the bush, Grandma. I'm dying and I need money for surgery.
Pretend I need the money and I hate my job and you're staying at my place, so you owe me.
We're sorry, Dave.
Yeah, that helps.
For a large cash transaction like this one, we have procedures we have to follow, so they take time.
I don't have time. I need the money immediately.
Not because I care about you or particularly enjoy your company, but because I need the money.
I really need the money.